I was shocked when even the most renowned college thought that I was a failure and you should not go for the architecture. And at that point I was like I had gone for the depression part. And I was happy that my father kept saying that you will go for architecture, I will make the thing possible, and keep hopes. He said. Okay. uh, so 11th 12th I had more of a fun days. I didn't do much of the studies, which eventually affected on my final marks in 12th boards. And when the result came, I was like a sad, but still I had hopes that I will go for the architecture college because there was NATA JEE still remaining. And after the NATA scores, I had less numbers actually. So I thought maybe I'll go for the other colleges, the downside part of the city. So that was also fine. But when the JEE marks came, I was happy that because they were higher than as I expected. And then I started for applying for the CAP rounds, which our university gives us. And at that point, I had many friends who were also applying for the same architecture field. And many of us didn't knew that JEE portion where we enter our marks, that wasn't showing up in the on the screen. So we thought maybe it will appear after some days. So we kept trying for the site. We were checking for every day. And many days passed, and nobody said that the JEE marks are to be entered now. They have came to the website. And at that point, uh, I thought, yeah, okay, maybe NATA. I'll get the college by the marks of NATA and 12th. Then first cap round had gone. No college accepted me. Second round, third round, no college accepted me. Then I thought maybe I should go for the offline thing. So I told my father, let's ask for by visiting the colleges. And I was shocked when even the most renowned college thought that I was a failure and you should not go for the architecture. And at that point I was like I had gone for the depression part. And I was happy that my father kept saying that you will go for architecture, I will make the thing possible, and keep hopes. He said. And yeah, at one point I had gone for one renowned college. I won't take the name obviously, but the principal there said that you had scored 45 percentage in 12th, you don't have the what you can say likey in Marathi, that you can't go for the architecture field, you will fail for the first year itself. Choose any line between the animation field and things. So he judged me through my marks actually, which was very difficult times. And then while I actually visited almost all the colleges of architecture for the admission, but uh, everyone said that this give me this much amount of donation and I will get you the admission. I said to my father that we are not going giving the donation part. I hated it. And so yeah, we tried a lot. Then uh, actually I didn't eat anything while visiting the colleges, because the answers what I was getting was so depressing that I had lose hopes at that time. My father kept saying that please eat now, you or you will fall sick or something will happen. But yeah, at one point I said my mother that maybe you are right, and I should have died. You don't deserve me. And at 1 year before that moment, actually my best friend, he was like my family, he suicided because of such situation, because of not getting the colleges. So I sorry. So I said to my mom, and she was literally about to cry for that. And yeah, she scolded me for saying that. uh, that night I cried a lot, because I was thinking of making the decision of suiciding or something, or telling my parents that I think I should choose something else for my career, or yeah. And after that point, I had visited some more colleges. They said no. And at one fine day I got to meet the Pillai sir, my college uh, what uh, like they are the trustee of our college. So I said that it was a mistake happened, but my JEE marks are good. You should try, if you should try for me, that I can do much better. The 12th was not the last exam I was going to give. So he believed in me actually. And yeah, they gave me the admission. After that I had given my full focus to my work studies. And in fourth year I had entered an international competition. I wasn't hoping for winning it or anything. um, it was just that my faculty had said you should compulsory do it, so everyone did it. And I also participated just because of faculty said. And I didn't knew it was an international competition. I didn't knew how big the competition was. I just did what I had studied from my 3 years, and what I should do. So the competition was to better my city. It was like an urban planning thing, urban designing thing. So yeah, the day came. I got a mail early morning. I was asleep as usual. The lectures were on. And yeah, so I got the message that yeah, congratulations, you have won the best critic award by the this international competition, by the ADB, the Asian Development Bank, who gives money for these countries like India to develop. Yeah, so that was a crazy moment for me. And I thought, yes, I shouldn't have said to my mom that I should do a suicide thing or anything. I am deserved much better than this. And I always think that if that principal who said you are nothing and you should go for the different career, I would like to meet him and thank that you gave me another chance for this, and I got the other college which actually believed in me. And right now I am so much happy for taking giving my life back. And I would thank my father. Yeah, I cried hugging him that one day, that uh, he really believed in me. So yes, that was the thing.